Okay, example E. So sine 2x over 1 plus cos 2x. Right, so the only thing we can do, sine 2x, again, formula sheet is 2 sine x cos x over, right, so we're trying to prove tan x. Now we know that tan x is sine over cos x, so we've got an option to pick for this, cos 2x. We need to pick either the first one, the second one, or the third one. Now, because it's sine over cos, I'm trying to obviously eliminate a cos, this cos on the top, right? That needs to go because you only want sine for tan, obviously, on the numerator. So that makes me think, well, I need to obviously have cos on the bottom. So I'm going to pick the one that involves just cos. Now, obviously, if you pick one and it doesn't help you, you just scrap it and you go pick another one. Okay, so there's nothing wrong with thinking, right, I'll pick one of them because there's three, obviously. But pick one of them. If it doesn't work, then you try a different one. So ones are going to cancel. Obviously, my thought process is, well, if I pick this one, the 2's are going to cancel. That's going to cancel with that. Because they're squared in the bottom, it's going to cancel with a 1 on top, but still leave it there, which obviously is tan. Okay, so when you have an option for your cos 2x expansion, you pick the one, I mean, think logically what makes sense, but pick one. If it doesn't work, you just pick another one. Right, this one, we've only got sine 3 theta to work with. Okay, so 3 theta, the only thing we know about 3 is the same as 2 plus 1. Why would we do that? Because again, I'm thinking about my formula sheet. So that's your A and your B. So sine 2 theta cos theta plus cos 2 theta sine theta. Okay, sine 2 theta, I don't have a choice. It's just that. Cos 2 theta, I do have a choice. Now, obviously, if you look at the answer only involves sines. Okay, all these, the whole thing is involving sine. So it makes sense to pick the one for cos 2 theta that involves sine. So 1 minus 2 sine squared theta sine theta. Because your answer has sines in it, so pick the one involving sines. Obviously, I'm going to deal with this cos squared, which I'll deal with that in a wee second. I'm going to multiply this out. Okay, so it's looking a bit better because I've now got sines and sine cubed, which is right. But obviously now my issue is this. So I only want to have sines in my answer. So I need to think, right, how am I going to deal with cos squared? Now, what do we know about cos squared? It is related to sine squared because sine squared plus cos squared is 1. So if we just rearrange that, cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. Okay, so it's all about how do you get the answer that's there. You need to be constantly looking at the answer, feeding in all the information you know. Okay, so cos squared is 1 minus sine squared. The rest of it's just staying there just now, and I'll tidy it up after. Multiply that through. And then tidy it up. That plus that is going to give me 3. And then that's you.